There is nothing quite like a deluge of blockchain-related news to make you scratch your head and wonder, what the heck is going on here? When I read about Grimes making millions of dollars from NFTs or about Nyan Cat being sold as one, I couldn't help but feel the same way. With the growing popularity of NFTs, the headlines about million-dollar hacks of NFT projects and corporate cash grabs have only become worse, with pictures of apes being sold for tens of millions of dollars. The recent events may have caused you to ponder a fundamental question: what exactly is an NFT? Welcome to Crypto News. Today we are going to talk about NFTs. Stay with us until the end of the video to learn more. Like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to get notified of all the latest updates. So, let's get down to the fundamentals, shall we? What is an NFT? What does NFT stand for? Non-fungible token. Maybe that doesn't make it any more understandable at all. My apologies. The term non-fungible refers to something that is one of a kind and cannot be copied or substituted. For instance, a Bitcoin is fungible, which means that if you swap one Bitcoin for another Bitcoin, you will end up with the exact identical thing. However, a non-fungible condition applies to a trade card that is one of a kind. If you were to trade it in for a different card, you would end up with a totally new item. How do NFTs work? Although other blockchains have also built their own versions of NFTs, the vast majority of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are currently included on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency similar to Bitcoin or Dogecoin. However, the blockchain that underpins Ethereum also monitors who is holding and trading non-fungible tokens, NFTs. How do you pronounce NFT? Nearly everyone writes it out using the pronunciation NEFFT. Those who are courageous refer to them as NFTs. Those who have attained enlightenment have never even considered uttering the word. What's worth picking up at the NFT supermarket? NFTs can actually be anything digital, such as drawings, music, or even your brain taken and converted into an AI, but the use of the technology to sell digital art is generating a lot of enthusiasm right now. So do people really think this will be the future of collecting? I'm sure there are some people who sincerely wish that to be the case, such as the person who shelled out approximately $390,000 for a 50-second music video created by Grimes, or the person who shelled out $6.6 million for a music video created by Beeple. You are free to make as many copies of a digital file as you choose, and this includes the artwork that is packaged with an NFT. However, non-exclusive licenses are intended to provide their holders with something that cannot be replicated: ownership of the work, though the artist can still retain the copyright and reproduction rights, just like with physical artwork. To put it in terms of physically collecting art, everybody has the ability to purchase a print by Monet, but the original can only be owned by one individual at a time. What are your thoughts on the Gucci Ghost, which retails for $3,600? In addition to that, this photograph, which was being auctioned off by Beeple at Christie's, ultimately sold for $69 million, which is, by the way, $15 million more than the price that Monet's painting Nymphaeus went for in 2014. I'm quite sure I've heard that the NFTs have already been completed. Didn't the bubble burst after the boom? Is it really going to happen this time? Since reaching their all-time high, sales have experienced a precipitous decline, but, as is the case with almost every aspect of the cryptocurrency market, there is always someone proclaiming that it is finished and irrelevant just before a significant price increase. Am I speculating that NFTs will become popular once again in the near future? Absolutely true, although I'm sure there are plenty of people in communities centered on NFT who are under the impression that they are still riding the gravy train. Oh no, you're going to bring up those pesky apes again, aren't you? Sure am. If you haven't heard of the Bored Ape Yacht Club before, it's one of the most successful NFT initiatives. The apes, who are generated procedurally and have their own distinct qualities, sell for millions of dollars each. The firm that is responsible for the series of NFTs has launched a new cryptocurrency, which caused the blockchain to become inaccessible for a few hours due to the overwhelming demand for one of their deals, and even bought out other large NFT brands. And just in case you forgot, all of this transpired due to the fact that individuals take great pride in being able to state that they own a picture of a bored ape. People like Jimmy Fallon and Paris Hilton, for example, who discussed their apes on TV in a tape that went viral because it was so incredibly awkward to watch, have been cited as examples. People have been building communities around the things they possess for a very long time, and now it's occurring with NFTs as well. This form of club is not really a new phenomena at all. One of the early initiatives involving NFTs was called CryptoPunks, and one could make the case that its community was responsible for much of its success. If you made it to the end of this video and are interested in knowing more, let us know which part of the video you liked the most in the comments section below. We appreciate your comment and we'll work to make a video on your desired topic with an account shoutout. Please like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to be notified of our next video. Thanks for watching.